Okay, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Odyssey EX-L. It's got 25,000 miles on it, lunar silver metallic in color. It's got a clean CARFAX, one owner. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. The nice chrome trim around the windows. Lock unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with the sunroof as well. Alright, it does have the dual rear power sliding doors. Okay. Driver's side of the Odyssey is in good shape. Walk around the back here. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. Let me go ahead and show you those power. Simply pull the handle there. Excuse me. Alright, nice and smooth opening up. Alright, you got your unlock button, lock button here on the passenger's door handles. You also have your blind spot monitoring camera right there. We'll show you that in just a second. But once again, it's a certified 16, 25,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX, one owner. It's a local trade. I'm going to show you that door too. Nice and smooth opening up. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the dark gray, light gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, here's your buttons for the dual power sliding doors. Got the power lift gate. Got your lane departure warning here. Okay. Blind spot monitoring camera button there. Alright, it is equipped with gray leather, power driver's seat. Leather's in fantastic shape, hardly a wrinkle in it. Does have the keyless entry key fob, okay? And you also have the buttons for the rear power sliding doors. Passenger seat leather also looks really good. Let me pan out a little bit, go ahead and give you a shot of that sunroof. Okay, and of course it's got the DVD player right there as well. Alright, got your USB here, power outlet, auxiliary, a little storage compartment down here. Okay. Gonna have your push button start there. It is an automatic. Got your display screen right there. Heated seats, dual climate controls. You got another display screen right there, and we'll show you all those in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio here, Bluetooth here. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 25,843 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you some of these display screens. Alright, this one's got your current drive and your history. Okay, we'll put it in reverse, and it's got your backup camera there with the guidelines. Okay, and then we'll do the side monitor, or the blind spot monitoring camera. And let me go ahead and dim that down for you just a bit. Let's see. There we go. You'll be able to see a little bit better now. But it is a visual display of your blind spot. Okay, it's a nice safety feature that Honda offers. We'll go down a little bit. Got your dual climate controls here with the heated seats. And then once again, this display right here, this is going to be your radio display. Okay. Once again, got your push button start over here. Alright, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, got the bench style seats back here. Leather is just absolutely perfect in this Odyssey. Hardly a wrinkle in it. Very well taken care of. Got two wireless headphones. Okay. And got your DVD player up here. Right, you got your rear heat and rear air controls, and they're located right here. Alright, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, put these away. It is third row. Alright, and as you can see, the leather back here is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, I'm not even joking when I say this, but this leather does not even have a wrinkle in it. Well taken care of. I mean, it even smells like a new car in here. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Got the power lift gate. Simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming up. Right. Back seat carpet looks good. Alright, and these seats will actually fold up and then fold down into here, really opening it up back here in the back for some storage or whatever you need. Simply press this button here. Nice and smooth coming back down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in great shape. Alright, tires are looking good, plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2016 Honda Odyssey EX-L 25,000 miles. It's a local trade, clean CARFAX, one owner. This thing is in pristine condition inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.